Our customers are the brands and the designers around the world. Inventory has been the cause of almost all of the major issues that brands have, and we can eliminate inventory altogether with this model. Our model allows you to produce the garment just when you need it. You can't do it without digital printing. We've been working with a very large retailer. They have developed a system where they can get the measurements from a person off a photograph, their cell phone, translate that into a pattern piece, ship us the pattern piece with the order. We can be cutting it within a minute and a half of them pressing the buy button. We can print on an awful lot of substrates that can give the consumer an unbelievable range of options. And then the image, as long as the quality of the image is good, what the Kornit press will do is spectacular. Just watching the white on white, we've watched them print almost what looks like to be lace on a white background. So things that you just couldn't even dream of doing that before. And of course, like your shirt, white on black really pops. And now you can get some texture into it by printing multiple layers. In home goods, digital is making a big transformation as well, because you can now pick the colors you want or the patterns you want or the print you want exactly for your needs, for pillows and cushions and curtains, and have it printed and then straight into sewing and straight to the door. So I think it's going to be a big part of our business. This whole digital revolution gives end-to-end transparency we've never seen before. A brand and designer can see their product come in, go through the press, all electronically, go into cutting, go into sewing and packing and shipping, and then we hand it over to FedEx, and they can follow the package all the way to the consumer. We believe our model is not only more efficient, but is so much better for the environment, but is also more profitable, which is really the bottom line.